Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Say hello, baby Reed.
Ha?
So, I want you to meet my co-host. Charot lang. I'm sure that we won't be able to finish our vlog today. Nakasama natin to. But I just want you to... I just want you to know my special co-host, and her name is Reed. So if this is your first time being here in this YouTube channel, I hope that you are going to hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and of course, I hope that you're going to leave a comment. Today we're going to talk about something different, but not new, because I'm sure that if you have been here in this YouTube channel, nakikita baby ang ano mo. I'm sure that if this is not your first time being here in this YouTube channel, you know that this is one of the topics that I am sharing in this channel. Ano ba itong topic na ito na i-share ko sa inyo? Not US visa related, but it's something about hobby. Naantok na ang baby. Okay? So, hopefully that you are going to, of course, listen. Madidistract tayo nito kasi there is someone so cute with us. You're so cutie baby, you know? No, the cutie baby is so mabait ngayon. But anyway, we are going to talk about something interesting today. Something different from what we are usually doing in this YouTube channel. So I hope that you're going to stay. Kasi kung nakikita yun, nasa likod ko, yung mga yun. I'm sure na namimiss na rin nila na pag-usapan natin ang isa sa aking mga hobby, and this is toy collecting. Parang tinatamad na siya. Parang haba-haba na doon ang introduction ko. Baby, are you sad? Tinatamad-tamad na yung baby natin. Anyway, I hope that you're going to give Reed a warm welcome para naman next time happy na siya. Say hello to them, baby. Say hello to them. Oh, si baby ko, love natin yun. Ano, baby? Kiss, daddy. Oh, it's so sweet. Kiss ulit. Oh, ito, love, sweetie, baby. Oh, ito, love, sweetie, baby yan. Okay, let's jump now to the video. Pinagpahinga ko na muna yung co-host natin. Actually, hindi natin siya magiging co-host. Baka additional character lang in this vlog. And hopefully, I'll be able to share with you the new adventures of Reed in the next vlogs that I'm going to share in this video. But today, you all know that I am, as a toy collector, has been collecting a lot of toys. Depende naman sa mga toys, di ba? Pero yung pinaka-focus talaga ng toys na aking kino-collect ay Gunpla. And if you are not familiar with this term, kung hindi po kayo familiar dito, you may be able to check some of my videos wherein I am explaining sa mga tao kung ano yung Gunpla. I even tried making a video wherein I built some, so pwede nyo po yung panoorin. Pero, by looking at the social media nowadays, dahil cloud chaser tayo, cloud chaser. Oo na, sige na, cloud chaser. Pero dahil syempre, hindi naman tayo cloud chaser kung hindi naman natin gusto yung kina-cloud chase natin. Meron pong nauuso na namang trend at ito po ay nabibili sa ating paboritong bilihan. O baka nagagalit na naman yung iba dyan na sabihin nyo, hindi naman namin paborito dyan. Eh kung yung iba, paborito nila dito, if this is where they want to go and eat, dito sila masaya, di ba? Pero what I am referring to is, ito pong restaurant na ito, I'm just not sure if I can be able to share it dito, yung pangalan ng restaurant. Kasi naman, alam niyo naman, di ba, nagpapamonetize tayo, kaya nood-nood din po kayo at do not skip the ads. But if you are familiar with this one, and I'm sure that you have seen this sa inyong mga social media platforms. And alam niyo naman, if you are a BTS fan, I'm sure dudumugin at dudumugin nyo ang restaurant na ito para mabili ito. Nung nauso nga yung chicken nuggets nila, kahit pagkamahal-mahal, totoo yun, di ba? Real talk lang tayo. Pagkamahal-mahal ng chicken nuggets, I'm sure na marami sa inyo ang sumugod sa fast food restaurant na ito at bumili. And this time, I've been seeing a lot of posts sharing this particular toy na in a form of, buksan na po natin ang ating masayang meal, happy meal, in a form of a blind box. I'm sure naman na familiar kayo sa mga blind box, di ba? Kung familiar kayo sa mga labubo or kung ano pang anik-anik, ito po yung tinatawag nating blind box kung saan bibili po kayo ng ganitong mga klaseng box. Pero in the case po of this fast food restaurant, if you're going to buy the Happy Meal, you will be able to get this. Again, disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion. So I am not being paid Sana nga, di ba? Pero hindi po ako binabayaran just to promote this one. I'm just sharing to you my experience and hopefully if you get interested, then why not? Di ba? Go to the nearest fast food restaurant na may letter M at bumili po kayo nito. Pwede pong sabihin yun? Can you please tell me below kung pwedeng sabihin ang mga pangalan ng restaurant? Pwede naman ata, di ba? Pero yun. So ito pong blind box na ito, going back, ang sistema po nito, for those people kung hindi po alam masyado ang blind box at familiar po kayo sa mga labubo, you are going to buy the box but you do not know kung ano ang laman nito. If you are someone who is busy planning for a toy that you're going to buy para sa inaanak nyo o para sa inyong mga pamangkin, I'm sure na kung pumunta kayo sa toy store, at first, the idea of having a blind box is something that you will not be okay with it. Because you know that you want to know already what's inside of the box before buying it and giving it to your pamangkin, inaanak, or to the inner bata inside you. That inner child that you are busy healing. Healing ba talaga? Or that inner child that you are busy spoiling? Ako naman I am telling you, if you will make your inner child happy, then go for it. Then let's go back to this blind box. And another thing that you'll be able to see in this blind box, you will be able to see, syempre of course, kung ano ito. This is Tiny Tan. This is an action figure of the BTS members na fan ng napakaraming tao. Ako hindi naman talaga ako totoong fan ng BTS. 'Di ba? Ako hindi naman ako masyadong fan. Ang alam ko lang na kanta nila ay kakaunti lang. But if I am listening to one of their songs and I enjoyed listening to it, na-enjoy ko na din naman. At kahit hindi nga ako sumasayaw, napapasayaw na din ako. Charot lang. But you'll be able to see that this is a Tiny Tan. Sana nakikita nyo. And you'll be able to see also that it has a QR code. So the QR code is to scan to jump with the Tiny Tan. So that's what you're going to do. You may scan the QR code. Tapos, syempre, yung mga usual na kailangan when we are purchasing toys, yung mga, syempre, things that you should know, that this one is for 3 years old and above only, and the other things like choking hazard, which are important. Kahit ano namang laruan ang binibili nyo, pag bumibili po kayo ng laruan, tingnan nyo po ang specification, especially if you're buying for a toy na hindi para sa inyo at para sa ibang tao. Para alam nyo kung ito ay age appropriate ba o hindi. For this one, this is for 3 years old and older. So pwede po siya sa 3 pataas na mga nilalang. So kung kayo ay 3 pataas na nilalang, bili na kayo. Okay? So today we're going to have this and I am going to give you an honest review. But before we go on with opening this one, because I'm sure that you are so excited already kung ano makikita natin dito, you will be able to know already who are the characters that you are going to get here, di ba? Nung nakita ko ito, ang gusto ko sana ay si J-Hope, kasi ang cute ng red na sweatshirt, at of course yung track pants, parang very McDo ang dating. Oh! Nasabi ko na siya. Pero sige na nga, sabihin ko na lang. Pero hopefully hindi tayo i-demonetize. Charot lang. And if it's not J-Hope, ang gusto ko, yung mga kakaiba naman ang kanilang forma, like si Suga because of his hair. Yung hair niya ay medyo color gray. So yun. Or si V, kasi gray din ang color niya. Hopefully, I will not be able to get Jungkook kasi medyo nafa-flatan ako sa forma niya. Sorry na po sa mga Jungkook, bias. Tama ba yun? Sino yung bias mo? Jungkook. So parang mali yung Jungkook bias, no? If your bias is Jungkook, sorry na. Pero yun, so we have Jimin, Jin, RM. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 characters that if you are a BTS supporter or a BTS fan, at ako behind the scene lang, you may be able to buy 7 Happy Meals para ma-enjoy nyo ito. Okay? So, what are we going to do now? Diba? Smooth like butter. Charot. Mapapakanta tayo dito ha. We are going to open this now. Para mas may excitement, I am going to kapa-kapa muna. Oh. Aside sa maingay ang aso namin sa labas, parang yung sabi ko hindi ko gustong makuha, yun yung nakuha ko. Yeah, totoo. Kasi titingnan ko yung mga hair nila, sino lang naman ang nakabucket hat dito. So hindi ko na kailangan magula pa. And yun, so let's see. Yeah, it's okay na. Sige. So this is what I got. This is Jungkook. Cute naman siya. Oo. Cute naman, very chibi ang dating. It has this, I do not know what you call this one, just to protect the toy inside para syempre will not be able to put a damage into it. Meron din siyang card. So, dito, you'll be able to see the face of Jungkook and his name. Nandito rin ulit yung name niya, pero dito smaller naman. So, this is nice. You may be able to put it in a book kung nagbabasa kayo, or you may be able to put it somewhere para lagi nyo nakikita. Okay? So, let's have this. Now, I'm going to put the card back inside the box so that I will be able to give to you my honest review. Lagay ko muna to dito sa floor. Looking at the action figure, when it comes to articulation, you may be able to move its head from left to right. So, naro-rotate siya. So, pwede mo siyang, hanggang ano lang siya. I will not be saying the degrees kasi baka magkamali lang ako. Pero you may not be able to rotate it ng 360 degrees. Pero, pwede mo siyang i-move ng papunta doon at papunta dito. So, pwede yan. But other than that, wala na po tayong iba na pwedeng ma-move. Tapos, I was able to see also some of the, I was able to see also yung paint. Halimbawa dito, maglalakad na lang para makita nyo. Pero hopefully you'll be able to see it. Yan nakita nyo. May damage na siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ganon. It means that the paint itself is not that long-lasting. So, pwede din siyang matanggal. So, yun, yung paint, hindi siya long-lasting, and even the quality, kasi I have an action figure here also of Chopper na gustong-gusto ko. This was given to me by my cousin. Natanggal, sorry. Natatanggal naman talaga to. Pero hindi naman to sira. Oo, hindi to sira. Nape-pressure ako. Binigay to ng cousin ko. Tapos nasira, di ba? Okay, this was given to me by my cousin and my nephew. Shout out Kuya JJ, shout out Big Hussein. So binigay nito sila sa akin. Binigay nila ito sa akin si Chopper kasi alam nila how fascinated. Charot. How I love Chopper. Si Chopper talagang pinakagusto kong character sa One Piece. So binigay nila to sa akin. So thank you Kuya JJ for this one. Shout out again. Baby Sane, thank you. Pero kung i-compare ko kasi even the paint, dito kasi yung paint dito, long lasting talaga siya. I think like even if it's exposed, hindi siya naka-seal at kahit nahanginan siya or whether in a different, kasi nag-iiba-iba po yung quality ng mga laruan if you're going to put it, lalo na kung humid o yung dry yung lugar, you will be able to see how it will become easily damaged or kung nag-brittle ba yung plastic and so on. Ito naman, medyo matagal na itong nasa shelf ko at so far, the same pa rin naman yung quality niya. I fear, balik natin ay, nakumba. Ang feeling ko lang dito, with my honest opinion about this one, I feel like, it's nice, maganda naman siya, at cute naman. Kaso, tingnan nyo, the more that I am touching it and rubbing it, the more na natatanggal yung color niya. So if you wanted to have a collection that is long-lasting, I doubt that this one will be able to withstand the test of time. Diba? Pero, overall naman, if I'm going to look at how affordable this one, 10 out of 10 naman. Kasi this is something that you will get kung bibili po kayo ng Happy Meal. Ibig sabihin, meron naman kayong pagkain na makukuha. Pag binili nyo po ito, or binili nyo yung Happy Meal, tapos ito ang makukuha nyo. Ano ba talaga? Yung pagkain ba ang binili nyo o ito ang binili nyo? Paki-comment ka po sa baba kung alin ang binibili dito. Pero di ba, if you're a fan, I'm sure that this is the one that you're buying and not the food. Pero depende na lang yun sa perspective nyo. Which one are you buying? The meal or this one? But anyway, for the price itself, I feel like that it's worth the price. But in a collector's point of view, sa imahinasyon, charot, sa imahinasyon, hindi ko naman gusto sabihin na sa, parang bumababa ang ano ko. But anyway, what I'm telling you right now, parang bumababa talaga yung stand ko. Parang kanina, hindi naman ako bumababa. Paatras nga ako ng korte. Yeah. Anyway, what I'm telling you, but in a collector's point of view, wow, expert. Hindi naman sa ganon. But when I'm telling you about a toy collector's point of view, I can say na this is something that you cannot keep for a long time. Okay? So, hindi siya ganoon. I feel like if you really want, because I have been seeing a lot of people who are customizing toys sa YouTube or in other social media platform, kung meron kayong skill na ganoon, you may be able to use chemicals, something, para malak yung paint niya and para mas magawa nyo siyang more realistic at accurate doon sa bias nyo. Pero if you're just going to let it stay ng ganito, I fear na hindi siya ganun tatagal. Okay? Pero, it's worth the price. Kasi naman, kung 145 yung ginastos nyo, tapos nakakuha pa kayo nito, tapos may pagkain pa, di ba? Busog na kayo and you have already a happy heart, emotionally, masayang-masaya kayo because you were able to get your bias, di ba? So, why not ketchup? And of course, if you really want to follow the trend na as a cloud chaser, why not? Di ba? Ako nga, I'm thinking of buying more para makompleto ko yung lahat ng nandito. Pito sila, di ba? So medyo mahal-mahal. Siguro kung bago mag-end ang promo ng fast food restaurant na ito and madami tayong makuhang views and madami tayong makuhang views at maraming hindi mag-skip ng ads in this video, baka makompleto natin ito. Okay? So this is it. Overall naman, I'm happy seeing this one. Even I am not a fan, feeling ko if they will be doing One Piece or something that I am really a fan, I will be definitely be inspired and motivated to get all of it. Pero ganun talaga eh. Kung hindi ka naman masyadong fan, basta na-appreciate mo siya sa toy collector, I feel like this is already something na will inspire and motivate others to, of course, buy and start collecting this one, di ba? Walang basagan ng trip, collect kung collect tayo dito. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo dito sa sinishare ko sa inyo. I'm just so happy because I'm back doing something like this. And hopefully in the future, I will be able to continue sharing to you things like this one. Because, you know, aside from sharing USBs and topics and tips to everyone, I am also a giant kid. Giant kid. I am also a big kid na nag-e-enjoy ng toy collecting. So, hopefully that I was able to share something in you, that you were able to learn something. Please write it down so that we will have a conversation about this. And please continue supporting Teacher Noy. Thank you very much for watching. This is me again, Teacher Noy, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone! Smooth like butter. Yun lang ang alam dun sa kanta. Bye! Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video and this is your first time watching Teacher Noy, please do not forget to click my image below and subscribe in this channel. And if you're still interested in watching for more videos, there are so many choices here in this side. Please do not forget to support Teacher Noy. Like, subscribe, watch, and comment. And if possible, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.